now we are installing this device onto the injection mold, and we'll see how this device will be installed on the mold. So I will put it here first, fix it, and जल्दी है ना. And the magnet on the other side, magnet को कैसे रखना है ऐसे इंस्टॉल करेंगे. As you can see that we have put the device on one of the plates. It can be either one moving or a stationary plate, and the magnet on the other side. When the plate will close, then this device, this is the way to install it on the mold. Check. Sorry. Now we'll see how the mold, when the mold is run, and what happens, that we will see. Slight adjustment in the magnet. So now when the plate closes, this device records that there is a magnet that has come in close contact with it, and then when it will open, it will record one production count. Now the plate has opened. Let it run for some time. We'll see a few instances of closing and opening of the plate. So that is how all the shots will be recorded using this device. Come few moments. I think there is a closing time, 40 seconds. Yes, so this is one complete cycle, and something got produced in that cycle. So that's how the installation will happen in the machine. Of course, this is a prototype device. The final device will be much shorter, smaller and elegant, and also the magnet will be smaller in size to fix, to get that sensing. This is just for the demo purpose. The final devices will be slightly different in make and size. We'll keep this here for some time, and then we will come back to it again once again.